Hello and welcome back to Wildsunne Art Studio. My name is Robinsunne and we are here throwing things around in the house. Anyway, we are here to look at a journal that I made for a challenge put out by DearJulieJulie. Thank you, Julie. This was really fun. So the challenge was to take 15 items that we got at a dollar store or a store like that and make a book. So the front cover and also the back cover are these matching kind of wooden, well, they're not wooden, I think they're made out of really thick cardboard stuff, like signs you can hang on a door or something like that. So we have lovely Santa to hang out with us. And so that was two of my items, the front and the back cover. And another one of my items was this green and red, I used to call it oak tag when I was a kid. So I bought a whole bunch of sheets of this to play with. So that was a bunch of my items. And also paper from a composition notebook. So, and also, do you see the yellow here? The base for each one of the signatures were these like manila envelopes, kind of like this, a little bit smaller than this one. I think they were 9 by 12. So each signature is made out of an envelope, and I would like cut the sides or cut the bottom and one side and open the paper way out and then fold some up to make pockets or, I don't know, flips like this or something. So here we have the first flip, and there's a journal here with some little charms on the strings. And my sort of overarching theme was the song The Holly and the Ivy, the Old English carol, Christmas carol. So I've got some holly here. And on these cards I have some lovely evergreen sprigs. And we've got some holly berries right there. And I made some cards with some journaling space to think about the magic of this season and a belly band. And this is a little notebook that, or list papers, for all the millions of lists we make during the season, that you can actually take out of the book and then put back in. The loop back here fits on a little tag thing up there, and then the end fits in a little tuck right there. We've got another flip out with a holly folder and an ivy little booklet. I was thinking you could put little cards in there. That'd be cute. And we have another journaling card for laughter. So some more of my items were the various pens that I was writing with. We have an evergreen tag. And we've got a pocket here. And this isn't really part of the journal, but if you got a Christmas card from somebody and you wanted to save it, or save a bunch of your cards, which I love to do, you could put them right in here. We have some more charms on strings. I loved making these evergreen sprigs. So we have an evergreen card, And another either journaling card, or you know what I was thinking? It'd be really fun to write down holiday recipes, like if you have favorite cookies or how to make grandma's turkey or whatever. Some really tall cards. And look, the stars. With some more cherries, gumdrops maybe. Some tags in these little postal pockets or slot pockets. So there's one on that side, one on this side, and the stars out at night. And we have some lovely holly cards here for more recipes, more lists, more addresses, more. And a little evergreen card in the pocket up top. I remember that this flap was actually the flap of the yellow folder. So these go into the double pockets. And then here we have sort of this lap book thing. We've got some ivy, an ivy card, evergreen card, just a plain card, and then we open that up, a couple more evergreen cards, plain cards. By the way, these cards and the clip they come with fit inside. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a a little teeny tiny belly band right there, so that the paper clip can stay right there. And we've got another writing card to talk about what we believe. And two of the world's biggest holly berries. And another little journal with some holly berries. So that goes like that. And an evergreen card. And an evergreen folding card. And here on this second to last page, I love doing this. It makes it so much easier. I have a place to write the person's name and the gift that they either gave to us or we gave to them, and a checkoff for writing thank you notes. I love writing this stuff down. Makes the thank you cards so much easier. Some more ivy, an ivy card, and a little notebook with a folder in case they're just little tidbits of memories or ephemera from the season. And on this back cover, I think there's room for another pocket that could hold, the cards that we get. So there's lots of room to save all those cards. So here we go. Let's do the blessings on the star page. So I wish for you to celebrate the midwinter or midsummer holidays with so much happiness. I had a lot of fun making this very big book. Have a great season, and I will see you next time. Bye.